Every year, over billions of sheets of bulletproof glass are produced, guarding banks, armored vehicles, and even the world's most secure buildings. Yet few realize that this life-saving material starts as nothing more than ordinary grains of sand. Through blazing furnaces, precision layering, and molecular bonding, that fragile sand transforms into transparent armor, capable of stopping speeding bullets. Today, we'll take you inside the high-security world of bulletproof glass production, from start to finish. Every year, billions of tons of silica sand are mined from deserts and riverbeds around the world. But not all sand is equal. Only the purest quartz grains can be used to make bulletproof glass. These grains are carefully washed, filtered, and graded in specialized facilities, ensuring that every particle is free from impurities before beginning its journey to transparency and strength. Next, the refined sand is blended with soda ash and limestone, essential minerals that help lower the melting point and stabilize the structure of the glass. Massive storage silos feed the precise proportions into automated systems. Even the slightest miscalculation in this formula can create microscopic flaws, weakening the final product. Precision here ensures the glass melts and forms evenly under extreme conditions. Inside gigantic furnaces that reach 1,700 degrees Celsius, the raw mix transforms into molten glass, glowing, fluid, and dangerously hot. Robots guide this molten river onto a bed of liquid tin, a process known as float glass manufacturing. The molten glass spreads evenly across the tin surface, forming a perfectly flat sheet without bubbles or distortions, setting the foundation for flawless transparency. As the glowing sheet moves through the cooling chamber, rollers and air jets slowly reduce its temperature to prevent stress fractures. This gradual cooling process, called annealing, is vital for stability. If cooled too quickly, the glass can shatter instantly. Once solidified, diamond cutters slice it into enormous panels that will soon transform from fragile sheets into armored protection. Before leaving the float line, each panel undergoes a thorough inspection using laser scanners and ultrasonic sensors. These machines detect air pockets or invisible cracks that could compromise strength. Faulty sheets are recycled, melted again to eliminate imperfections. Only those that meet perfect clarity and consistency continue forward. The purest glass ready to begin its transformation into bulletproof protection. Inside climate-controlled clean rooms, technicians and robotic arms prepare the glass panels for lamination. Dust or moisture can ruin the entire process, so the environment is kept sterile and humidity-free. Workers wear full protective suits as machines gently clean and dry every sheet. This meticulous preparation ensures that when layers are fused together, they bond perfectly, forming the flawless foundation of transparent armor. Each panel is stacked with alternating layers of glass and polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, or polycarbonate films. These clear, flexible polymers act like glue, binding layers while also absorbing shock. Depending on the level of protection required, panels can have up to 10 alternating layers. Every added sheet increases both flexibility and resilience, a balance that allows the final glass to resist tremendous ballistic impact. Once stacked, the panels move into enormous autoclaves, pressurized chambers where heat and air compress the layers into one seamless unit. Temperatures rise above 130 degrees Celsius, melting the polymers just enough to fuse the sheets together. Pressure eliminates air bubbles, ensuring perfect optical clarity. When removed, the result appears like ordinary glass, yet within its layers lies the strength to stop high-speed projectiles. After fusion, high-pressure water jets and diamond saws cut each panel to exact dimensions. Even a single uneven edge can create weak points, so precision is critical. The glass is then polished until it shines like crystal. These refined, custom-shaped panels will eventually be fitted into armored vehicles, security booths, and protective buildings, invisible walls engineered for extraordinary protection. Before certification, every laminated sheet undergoes optical clarity and distortion tests. Lasers check for uniformity, ensuring the glass bends light correctly without creating visual warping. Bulletproof glass must look completely normal while concealing incredible strength. Once a panel passes inspection, it's officially ready to face its next trial, where science and destruction meet to prove its unbreakable design. Inside fortified ballistic chambers, engineers mount bulletproof glass panels onto reinforced steel frames. High-speed cameras and radar sensors are positioned to capture every millisecond of impact. Then, with a thunderous crack, a bullet leaves the barrel, traveling at over 1,200 feet per second. Each test simulates real combat scenarios, determining whether the panel can truly stop lethal projectiles in their tracks. When bullets hit, the first glass layer shatters instantly, dispersing energy like a web of lightning. The inner polymer layers stretch and absorb the force, trapping bullets mid-layer before they can exit. This controlled destruction is key. Rather than resisting impact through hardness alone, the glass survives through flexibility, redirecting violent energy across its laminated structure to prevent deadly penetration. After every test, technicians inspect the shattered glass under microscopes, studying crack formations and penetration depth. Even a tiny fragment breaking through is a complete failure. Bulletproof glass must stop every round without shedding dangerous splinters. This data guides refinements in polymer thickness and layer composition, ensuring each future batch performs with absolute consistency and reliability under fire. The panels then face environmental stress tests, enduring extreme heat, freezing cold, and ultraviolet radiation. These trials simulate years of real-world exposure, from desert warfare to icy mountain climates. The glass must remain clear, strong, and untarnished through every cycle. Each successful result proves not only ballistic strength, but long-term durability against nature's harshest and most unpredictable conditions. Once testing concludes, panels that pass every challenge receive engraved serial identification codes, marking their level of protection, material composition, and date of manufacture. These records ensure traceability for military, government, and industrial clients. What remains is no longer just glass. It's engineered defense, verified by destruction, shaped through precision, and certified to protect lives under the world's most extreme threats. After the final inspection, bulletproof glass panels are loaded onto climate-controlled trucks, stacked upright to prevent internal stress. Each crate contains thousands of dollars worth of precision-engineered protection. GPS trackers monitor every shipment as it travels from factory to customer. Even in transport, safety protocols remain strict, because one careless vibration could undo months of craftsmanship and compromise the glass's flawless strength. At massive shipping ports, cranes lift the secured containers onto cargo ships bound for every continent. Customs officials verify certification documents, serial numbers, and ballistic ratings. These panels are destined for embassies, banks, armored cars, and secure facilities around the world. From bustling cities to isolated regions, bulletproof glass travels silently, unseen guardians carrying the science of survival across international borders. When the panels arrive, local installation teams handle them with delicate precision. Each piece is measured, aligned, and mounted into prepared structures. Engineers perform stress tests on site to ensure proper fitting and resistance. Whether fortifying a government building or shielding a luxury vehicle, these panels become more than material. They become silent protectors woven into the fabric of everyday security. Even after installation, maintenance specialists play a crucial role. They inspect for cracks, moisture intrusion, or delamination, ensuring long-term reliability. Special cleaning compounds keep the layers clear without damaging the polymers. With proper care, these panels can last for 2 decades or more, standing strong against time and temperature, an enduring testament to engineering perfected through precision and purpose. Today, bulletproof glass protects millions of lives across the planet. Yet most never realize how much science, labor, and precision stand behind every pane. From sand to armor, each sheet represents the triumph of human innovation. It's a process built on perfection, from raw material to life-saving strength. A transparent guardian born from fire, pressure, and the pursuit of safety. From fragile sand to transparent armor, every panel of bulletproof glass is a masterpiece of science and precision, protecting lives, one layer at a time. If you've watched this far, you're one of the curious few who love to see how the world is made. So craft your own support. Like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell to keep the world of making things alive from start to finish. And while bulletproof glass shields us from danger, another invention quietly protects us every single morning. Billions of them are molded, bristled, and packed each year. A tool so simple yet engineered with incredible precision. Up next, how billions of toothbrushes are made, from plastic to daily use.